On the benefactor.net, trust and transparency are essential to building a strong community. That's why we've implemented our KYC verified badge feature. To begin the process, simply navigate to the KYC verification from your dashboard and complete a short identity form that includes your basic information, such as name, date of birth, location, and 2 connected socials for identity confirmation. Next, upload a government or state issued ID, front and back side, along with a current selfie image. Once these items are completed and uploaded, simply submit the form for review. You'll then see a review pending page while our team verifies the information you provided. The last step is payment, which is $4 monthly in PIF tokens. And 100% of this fee goes directly into paid forward rewards, redistributing that value back to all active users on the platform. Congratulations, you are now verified. This demonstration shows how the KYC process works and the value it adds to our ecosystem. Think of it like showing your ID to enter a secure building. It ensures that everyone inside knows they're surrounded by verified, trusted members of their community.